How to edit PDF file in laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can edit PDF file in laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to open up Word. So open up Word in your laptop. Here click on open from the menu bar at the left hand side. Now from your device you have to open the PDF that you want to edit. Then click on OK. Now you can edit your PDF file here, and here once you're done editing you can save your file. For that, click on this file option at the top left corner and here click on save as, and here select your location where you want to save your file. Click on desktop, and now again you can share this file as a PDF, and that's how you can edit your PDF in laptop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.